full of nutrients, crunchy grain bread. People love crunchy snacks. This is a complete meal. 2 a day give you energy and all the vitamins you need. All the healthy seeds, a cup of water. We add a tablespoon of olive oil, and then we add chili or paprika. I put paprika because I don't like chili. A spoon of salt and mix them well. Then we add the rest of the ingredients. Half a cup of sunflower seeds, 3 tablespoons of flaxseed, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, which are full of vitamins, half a cup of sesame seeds, full of magnesium and calcium, 2 tablespoons of psyllium or psyllium husks, and half a cup of omega-3, which is chia seeds. Chia seeds have more omega-3 than salmon. We mix them and wait 5 to 6 minutes, and you'll find that the chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds form a gelatin-like texture. Then spread it evenly on a baking sheet, exactly 40 by 60. I like to mark it before baking. Some people break it after it's baked, but this is better. 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, and you'll get the best crackers in the world. There's Pray for my mother and father for peace from your heart. There are 80 types of gluten-free from all the ingredients you can imagine. We want to reach 1,000 likes on this video. Please leave us a comment and encourage us with a comment. Peace be upon you.